Providing fresh produce is providing a well-balanced diet, and if we're only providing non-perishables, then people are missing out on the healthiest items in their food basket.
It gives their employees an opportunity to take one work day a year to go out into the community and do some good, and Fiona set this one up.
We heard about the program, and everybody was very enthusiastic about this particular effort, so here we are.
Someone described it once to me as it's good for the soul. I think it means a great deal. We work hard, and certainly to take a day out of our year to do something good for the community is fantastic. So.